For many years, I lived only for responsibilities job, family, children. I didn't even realize when I stopped living for myself. I was busy being a teacher, working in a company, raising my children. My life was full, but somewhere I was missing. Many women live like this. We manage everything, but inside we feel tired, emotional, sometimes even lost. One day I understood something powerful. I may not control everything outside, but I can learn to control my emotions. I started learning emotional balance, not getting too hurt, not reacting to everything, but responding with calmness. For years, I thought loving myself is selfish, but now I understood it is necessary. When we love ourselves, we become stronger for everyone. I started small, just 2 minutes a day. I told myself, I am enough, I deserve peace, and slowly my mind started changing. Now I feel calmer. I don't overreact like before. My relationships improved because I changed. To every woman watching this, if you gave your life to others, it's okay. But now it's your time. Start loving yourself today. You are not late. You are not lost. You are just rediscovering the beautiful person inside you. My children are grown up now, and many times they tell me, Amma, please take care of yourself too. That touched my heart deeply because for years I only thought about them. Earlier, it was always others first, me last. Now I understand I can love others and still love myself. Both can exist together beautifully. Life is not about choosing between myself and my family. It is about creating a balance where I exist with love along with them. I started something simple in my life. Whatever I do, my daily work, my plans, my responsibilities, I do it sincerely. But inside, I keep a small prayer and leave the results to God. We cannot control everything in a life, but when we trust God, our mind becomes peaceful even in difficult situations. I learned that life is not only about effort and not only about prayer, it is a balance of both. We do our part and trust God for the rest. You may be thinking, what if someone in my family needs my full time care? Can I still think about myself? Yes, we can give full care with love and responsibility. But even then, we should not completely forget ourselves. Self care doesn't mean spending hours. Even small moments, a peaceful mind, can make us stronger to take care of others. It is about balance, caring for others with love, and caring for ourselves with a gentle discipline. This brings true happiness. If this message touched your heart, stay with me. Let us grow, heal, and love ourselves together.